Hello everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Tips. So today we're going to be talking about some exciting news in the world of cryptocurrency regarding the first ever Bitcoin ETF. So before we get into today's video, I do want to make sure to ask you to hit the like button to help out the YouTube algorithm in recommending this for more people, so more people can learn about what's going on with crypto and how this is really the future of finance. Also, if you're looking to support the channel a little bit further, make sure to check out the join button down below to get access to exclusive perks. Any support in that area is greatly appreciated. So let's get into the video today. So we're starting out here on CoinMarketCap just so we can see the actual impact that this has had on Bitcoin. So the first ever Bitcoin ETF launched today on the New York Stock Exchange, which opened at 9 a.m., or I believe it's 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time in the US. So, of course, Bitcoin has been up. You can see that today's all-time high in the last 24 hours was $64,434.53. Now, if we scroll down here, usually this shows the all-time high, which right here says, that's all-time low. All-time high was $64,863. So we were only about $400 off of that all-time high, which is super cool. Now, of course, we hit that all-time high earlier this year, and Bitcoin then lost about half of its value, and a lot of people thought that that was the bear market. But if you've been watching my videos here on the channel, you've known that I fully believe that we will see new all-time highs, not just near or, a couple $100 off, but very new and even higher all-time highs before the end of this year. And this ETF could just be the beginning of what could possibly be a six-figure Bitcoin. So, of course, Bitcoin going up is super cool, but what is this ETF? How is it helping cryptocurrency, and is it even a good thing? Because, cryptocurrency was created to be different from the stock market, different than mutual funds and ETFs and all of that, and meant to be more decentralized. So, is this really what we want for cryptocurrency? So, of course, starting off here by just Googling the ticker BITO, which of course is the ETF ticker for this Bitcoin ETF hosted by ProShares, and we can see that it launched, it doesn't show us today, but it opened at $40.88. So I had seen yesterday that it was initially going to start trading at $40. So it closed after the regular trading hours today at $41.94, which was up just under 5% at $1.94 worth of gain. So that's really nice to see. Of course, it's new. We kind of expected it to go up. It's something new. It's the first of its kind. Not too surprising that it did pretty well. But it has continued to go up another 0.24% or 10 cents in after hours trading, which is really nice to see. So basically, you might be wondering now, what is this Bitcoin ETF? Why is it better than buying Bitcoin? And again, still, do we really want this in cryptocurrency as an option? So this article by Investopedia here does a really good job of breaking down not only what the Bitcoin ETF is, but also how ETFs work and what's really going on with it. So this Bitcoin ETF, it basically tracks the price of Bitcoin. And if you're not familiar with what ETFs do, is they will usually track the price of a bunch of different stocks. There are ETFs that track, say, something like the S&P 500, or there are ETFs that'll track, 2,000 different companies, and what their goal is to take the risk out of investing in single stocks, or in this case, single cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, and broaden your investment portfolio. So this is tracking the price of Bitcoin futures on the futures market, and that is really good because in this case, if you were to go out and buy, say, one share of this Bitcoin ETF, you're looking to spend between $40 and $45 at the time of recording this video, which is October 19th. So that's really cool. You're not looking to spend, 60 grand to purchase Bitcoin, and you're still going to be getting that same exposure. Now, a really important thing that comes along with this that I think is one of the biggest reasons this is going to be so successful is it takes the uncertainty of owning and having to store cryptocurrency out of investing in it. if you're not someone who uses cryptocurrency every day or knows a lot about it, maybe you're big on investing in stocks, maybe real estate and commodities and stuff like that, and want to get into crypto, but the confusion of, having to create a Coinbase wallet or a Gemini account or a Binance account and trading and all of that, this takes that out of it. You can buy this ETF right through your brokerage site, and you can have exposure to cryptocurrency without having the stress of storing it yourself, having to figure out how to store it, and how to trade in and out of cryptocurrency. So it takes that out, which they talk about a lot here, how it cuts out the issues of complex storage and security. So it makes it a lot easier for new people to come into cryptocurrency, as well as just taking the risk of, am I going to send this to the wrong address and lose it altogether? So I think that ultimately this is going to be a really good thing for Bitcoin, because as people invest in this ETF, that means the managers and the people running the ETF are going to eventually have to purchase Bitcoin, meaning the price will, in the long term, go up because of this. So while it is intermixing it a little bit more with the stock market and the ETF market, I think it's going to be a good thing in the long run for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrency overall. And now that we have one ETF live, we're going to see more in the near future. And hopefully down the road, we may even see a cryptocurrency ETF that tracks top 10, 15, 20, 30, 50 cryptocurrencies on the coin market cap. So that would be really cool to see in the future, and I think this is just the beginning of what could be another really powerful bull run here in the cryptocurrency markets. So if you liked this video, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Let me know why you didn't like it down below. Also, check out the Discord at the link in the description, and leave any questions or comments down below as well. Please like, share, and subscribe to my Bitcoin Tips YouTube channel to learn more about spending, collecting, earning, and investing different types of cryptocurrencies. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.